Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade, student from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My subject name is Corporate Valuation and presentation topic name is Relative Valuation. So, what do you mean by relative valuation? Valuation is a generic term that refers to the notion of comparing the price of an asset to the market value of similar asset. Valuing peer companies in the same industry. Valuation by historical data. Relative valuation method. Price multiples and enterprise value multiples. Trailing multiples and forward multiples. Methods based on comparables, and second one is based on forecasted fundamentals, that is justified multiples. Price multiples. In price multiples, there are many types: price to earnings, price to book value, price to sales, price to cash flow, and dividend yield. EPS adjustment required. Adjust for potential EPS dilution and non-recurring earnings. Dealing with very low or negative EPS not meaningful, use normalized EPS or use earnings yield for ranking. BV is book value. ROE means return on equity. So the formula is to calculate EPS. EPS is equal to ROE, that is return on equity, into BV, it means book value. Price to earning ratio. Price to earning ratio. The price to earning ratio, that is PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its earning per share. The price to earnings ratio is also sometimes known as the price multiple or the or the earnings multiple. So the formula is PE ratio is equal to stock price per shares divided by EPS. Price to earning or growth ratio, the PEG, it means price earning ratio, growth ratio. Price or earnings to growth ratio is a valuation metric for determining the relative trade-off between the price of stock, the earnings generated per share, that is EPS, and the company's expected growth. In general, the PE ratio is higher for a company with a higher growth rate. So the formula is price to earning divided by earning growth rate. Price to book value ratio. Price to book value, it means PB, is the ratio of the market value of a company's share, that is share price, over its book value of equity. The book value of equity in turn is the value of a company's assets expressed on the balance sheet. So here is the formula for price to book value ratio. So price to earning divided by earning growth rate. Price to sales ratio. The price to sales ratio is calculated by taking a company's market capitalization, the number of outstanding shares, multiplied by the share price, and divide it by the company's total sales or revenue over the past 12 months. The lower the PS ratio, it means price to sales ratio, the more attractive the investment. So the formula for price to sales ratio is equal to stock price per share divided by sales per share. Now, price to cash flow ratio. The price to cash flow ratio is a stock valuation indicator or multiple that measures the value of a stock price relative to its operating cash flow per share. The ratio uses operating cash flow (OCF), which adds back non-cash expenses such as depreciation and amortization to net income. So the formula for price to cash flow ratio is equal to stock price per share or stock price per share divided by cash flow per share. Thank you so much.